Title: iPhone 15 Pro Max, the ultimate flagship experience. Introduction. Hey there, tech aficionados, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly extraordinary to share with you, the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max. Apple has once again raised the bar, and in this video, we'll take a deep dive into its features, performance, and why it might just be the ultimate flagship smartphone of the year. Opening scene. Before we jump into the details, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future tech reviews. Now, let's get right into it. Design and build. The iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts a stunning and ergonomic design with a sleek stainless steel frame and a ceramic glass back. It feels luxurious in hand, and is available in a range of eye-catching colors, including ocean blue, stellar black, and rose gold, with its large 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display. You'll be mesmerized by the visuals on this device. Display. Speaking of the display, the iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts an awe-inspiring 120Hz ProMotion Super Retina XDR display. The 6.9-inch screen provides an immersive experience with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and Hdr support, making it perfect for watching movies, gaming, or editing your creative content on the go. Performance. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is powered by the lightning-fast A15 Bionic chip. This 5nm marvel delivers unmatched performance, making multitasking, gaming, and using resource-heavy apps a breeze. With its 6-core CPU, 5-core GPU, and 16-core neural engine, you'll enjoy a smooth and lag-free experience no matter what you throw at it. Camera. Now, let's talk about the camera setup, which is nothing short of exceptional. The iPhone 15 Pro Max features a quad-lens camera system, including a groundbreaking 1:8MP wide lens, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, a 12MP telephoto lens, and a 3D ToF sensor. The Pro Max delivers stunning photos with rich detail, true-to-life colors, and impressive low-light performance. With its advanced computational photography and deep fusion technology, every shot is a masterpiece. Battery life has always been a priority for users, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max delivers on that front too. Its larger battery coupled with the energy-efficient A15 Bionic chip ensures you can go all day without needing to recharge, and when you do, take advantage of the 4.5W fast charging support to get back up to full power in no time. Software and iOS. Of course, the iPhone 15 Pro Max runs on the latest iOS version, providing a smooth and intuitive user experience. Apple's software-hardware integration is second to none, making this device not only powerful but also a joy to use on a daily basis. Conclusion. In conclusion, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a true powerhouse, offering an unrivaled combination of design, performance, and camera capabilities. If you're looking for the ultimate flagship experience, this is the smartphone to consider. Call to action? Let us know your thoughts on the iPhone 15 Pro Max in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your tech-savvy friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.